Hello everybody and welcome to Classic Car ChitChat. My name is Kevin. Thank you for joining me today. Today's video is a book review. You can see my little MG just tucked away there. It's also a bit of a storage unit from IKEA. Don't get me started. Having said that, it is winter here. It's still cold. And if you don't believe me, check this out. We still have a lot of snow on the ground. So it is what it is. So here I'm thinking, what better way than to spend time indoors than with a good book? That being said, I was contacted by a company out of the UK called Veloce. They were kind enough to let me look at their different types of books that they have on their website, and I'll show you what that looks like. And I was able to select 3 books that really appealed to me, and I will take a closer look at these as well. I will show you the books. Great correspondence with the company, very, very professional. The key thing is they have so many different book options that you'll see. If you are interested in purchasing a book for yourself, then please use the code ChitChat upon checkout and you'll get an additional 20% off discount. So that being said, it's still cold. Let's go inside and let's check out these books. Okay, let's take a look at the Veloce website first before we take a look at the books that I ordered. Again, their website address is veloce.co.uk. Here is their landing page. It's beautifully designed, very, very simple, very easy, but beautifully pictured as well. Some amazing books. What I liked about it is that you can click on here. You can see all the different categories that they have books on. And if you went and selected view all, which is what I did just to kind of get a sense as to what they carry, I was impressed. You've got everything from Volvo to Jaguar to Triumph to Volkswagen, even motorcycles, every book that you can sort of think about, particularly in these cold winter days. This is the perfect thing that you can do. Just curl up with a good book and take a look at some of these amazing stories and books that have been written. And there are pages and pages of these and amazing books. Oh my God, Lotus. How can you not love Lotus? So that being said, remember that if you do decide to buy any of these books, there is the 20% discount that you can receive if you use the discount code ChitChat upon checkout as well. So let's take a look at the books that I specifically ordered. Okay, so the first book that I had ordered was the MG story, essentially. It is made in Abingdon, which, as we all know and love, that is the birthplace of our beloved MG cars. This book was written by Bob Frampton. It goes through the history of MG and certainly during the war years. Oh, some fantastic photographs in here too. And flannel dance in 1931, some of the early cars that were coming out. The 6-cylinder Mark IIIs. Look at the office there too. Incredible how times have changed. But lovely, lovely book. So I will definitely take a look at this one. The MG Cars. It's a pictorial history. I've always been fascinated by the various different models that are part of MG. This book is written by Trevor Alder. And it dates it from 1930 to the current 2006, or more or less current, let's say. But it goes through all the different series, the T series, and along the way here, some beautiful advertising imagery as well. And some of the classics that are obviously still around, thankfully, to people like yourselves who are taking care of these. The Magnet, of course, absolutely gorgeous cars. And we can go on and on and on, and we get into our MGs as well over here. Fabulous MG story. This one again is the birth of the MG in the Abingdon and Development Office as well. Forgive me, this one is written by Don Hayter. Absolutely lovely story here of the background of the MG, an introduction made by him, all the different cars, the scale models. Look at some of these images. Some of these things I've never seen before. But the birthplace of the Riley as well. I didn't know actually Riley was made in Abingdon, but that's amazing. The MGA, that is spectacular. And this has got to be one of my favorite cars. And even at Utah, Sterling Moss there in the center. That was a name out of the past. Amazing race car driver. Look at that. Absolutely incredible. So essentially, these are the 3 books that I had ordered. Veloce, amazing organization. Please do check it out. Remember to use the discount code ChitChat and you'll get an additional 20%.